Welcome back. Today we'll be seeing more about combustion. Have you ever guys wondered what is combustion? Let's see. Combustion is a process in which the combustible substance reacts with oxygen and gives out heat, light and carbon dioxide. Have you ever guys wondered what is the main fuel for the candle to burn? Is it the wick, the wax or the melted wax that comes out when the candle is burning? So as we light the candle, due to the heat, the wax starts melting. As the wick is made up of cotton, the wax that is melted is pulled upwards. And then due to more heat, the melted wax is turned into its vapor form. The vapor form is the main fuel. Now I will prove it to you. We will be lighting a candle, or you can also use a matchstick. And now we will be blowing the main candle. As you see, the white smoke is the vapor form. Now take the candle near the vapor. You see, it has lighted. I am going to do it again for you. See? Now let's do another experiment with it. Now take another candle and light it. Now place it nearby each other. Now blow one of the candle and place the candle near the smoke. As you see, it has lighted. This is amazing, isn't it? Please try this at home and write down your experiments down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bells for more videos like this. Thank you.